Actually, Lucy, my trouble is Christmas. I just don't understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of let down.
Guys, Adam here with my broken light switch, weird headband and backdrops and all that jazz. But I just want to say I apologise for my disgusting, dry, flaky ass skin during this video. I'm sat here editing the video and I'm just like, I should have. I basically didn't use a moisturiser. I didn't use any eye cream or primer or anything. I just went straight in with foundation, and the foundation is quite like a matte foundation. So yeah, I apologise for my skin, but it's not about the skin, it's about the highlight, and I got too excited and I couldn't wait. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and again, I'm sorry. But to believe me that I have good skin, go to the video that I did that says good base in the world or something, best base in the world. Go to that and you'll see that I'm not that shit.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing something I am super excited about, and as you can see I'm a little bit dolled up. I just threw this together just because I haven't really done makeup on my channel for a while. It's been pretty like reviewy, even though this is kind of going to be a review, but I just thought I'd do something a little bit easy, fun, festive, because it is the Christmas period. And yeah, so just a quickie. If you're wondering what palettes I used these two by Jaclyn Hill, of course. I used the red one from the Ring the Alarm palette, and then I used a couple of these shades from the Dark Magic palette. So in case you didn't know, as you've seen by the title, we are going to be testing this bad boy. So when this first came out, it was sold out and I was so bummed out, but it came back and I only managed to pick this one up. I did want the loose powder, but I couldn't get it, so we're just going to be focusing on this today, but I'm super excited. This one is in the shade The Flare, which I think is pretty much the most popular one. A little bit of a background on me and my relationship, if you will, with Jaclyn Hill. Basically, before I became like a professional makeup artist, she taught me everything that I pretty much knew. I watched her religiously. I've still got like most of her products. I've got Champagne Pop. She's really inspired me, and she continues to inspire me, and she's just a huge role model for me, and you just can't deny that she has serious talent when it comes to like blending, and I just love her to bits. Jaclyn, if you're watching this, I just love you. I'll put somewhere on the screen the video that I recorded, which was a really fun and beautiful eye look that I did. So today we're going to be diving into this, and I'm so excited because I have been like swatching this a little bit throughout the day, so my palette is a little bit messy, but we're going to be diving in, and you can tell by the smile on my face that I'm so excited. So when you first get this, guys, it feels heavy, like it feels really beautiful, and as you can tell on the packaging, it looks beautiful. I do have a few opinions on this, but we're going to get into it in a minute. So on the back you can see that I've got it a bit dirty already, but on the back it's just got like the ingredients, and also it says these super creamy highlighters are like a flash of light with every swipe, and I can second that because they feel amazing. So we're going to open it. So when you open this, it comes out in like a little package, and then when you open it, it's got like a little card, and basically this just says like you're looking at an original. Our accent light highlighters are made using a proprietary fill-in process that creates unique one-of-a-kind patterns in every pan. This is no ordinary highlighter palette, it's a work of art, and it is a work of art, to be fair. So just one thing about the packaging, I think as beautiful as this looks, I just think it's unnecessary, just because I feel like if she didn't have all of this, she could lower the price a little bit, like, because you've got the price for the cards, then you've got the price for this bit here, then you've got the price of this because this comes out. So like all this adds up. So if she got rid of those like 3, like she'd be able to knock like, I don't know, $5 off or something. But when you take it all out, it's got like this little beautiful silver tray, which I'm gonna keep because I think it's really pretty and really cute. And then guys, as you've already seen by now, this is the palette. So as you can see, it's really beautiful. It's really sturdy. It's got my fingerprints all over it. On the back it just says The Flash, obviously the shade name, but yeah, it's so beautiful. It weighs a lot, and this is going to look so amazing on you, like on your vanity and stuff. Like, it's just so beautiful. So when you open it up guys, this is what it looks like. So obviously you get a huge mirror, and the mirror is a really, really good mirror. You can tell that. Do you know, like when you get these mirrors in things and they just look like they've been bought from pound store or something? You can tell like this is quality. So like if I show you like a little bit, you can just tell, like that's my iPad, you can just tell that it's just quality mirror. And then obviously you've got like the accent down here, which I really, really like, and just sitting this on your vanity, it's gonna just look, oh my god, it's gonna look so beautiful. So guys, these are obviously the shades, and we've got Gleam, Iced, Sparks and Mesmerized. So obviously this is the palette for more of the pale, like fair to tan shades. And then obviously there is another palette called the Flare, which is more of the deeper skin tones, and I think that'd make a beautiful eyeshadow palette. And then obviously she's got the other highlighters, and the loose ones, and also the like more of a setting powder kind of thing. So we're going to do some swatches, and then we're going to start putting them all over my face, which I'm super excited about. So this, if you didn't know, it is made in Italy. So each one of these highlights are actually baked highlights. And obviously if they come from Italy, it makes them a little bit more expensive, a little bit more bougie. And if you just like feel this, they feel so creamy. So I don't have anything on my hand, so I'm literally just gonna go one like that, and look at that payoff. Like, it's absolutely ridiculous. Like, even if I just do that, even if I just press, you get like a little bit of pigment on, but then if you just swipe it like that, like, it's absolutely insane. So guys, there's what they look like on my fingertips. This one here looks really pink, but it pulls off more of like a golden tone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna swatch them on my palm here. So there's the first shade, and look at that. Like, oh, so blinding. I know I'll put the last one there, but as you can see, if you can see, like, the so blinding. Like, look at that one, oh my god. So that one is Sparks, that like silvery one is Gleam, then we have Iced, and then that one that I'm struggling to show you is Mesmerized. So as you can see, like, the blinding even on my hand, and they just look so like wet and beautiful, and I'm just so excited to get these on my face. So I didn't actually pick up any of the brushes, they didn't really appeal to me, and plus I am still obsessed with my Jaclyn Hill Times Morphe brush. This is the JH30, and this is just amazing to really like buff it into the skin and get it on like your brow bone. It just does an amazing job. So yeah, I just can't give this brush up really. So let's get going. We're gonna be putting them different places. So I think I want to put Gleam on my cheek. Yeah, we're just gonna go for it. So what we'll do is we'll go in, like, we'll dip it twice. So we'll go 1, 2, and then like it picks up quite a bit, to be honest. And then, can you see that cheek? Here we go. Oh my god, I just love this brush so much. Oh my god, that is insane. Like you can see all this brush is just really buffing everything out. It's just all of it. Oh my god. I don't know how that's... I can't see it on camera because I'm trying to tilt my head to see it, but from what I can see that looks blinding on camera. And then if I look forward, it's got a little bit of a cast to it, but not much. I am quite pale at the moment. I'm not as tanned as I usually am. But in person it does look really quite white, so this would suit really pale tones, but I could get away with this, and so far that is gorgeous. So what I'll do is I'll take iced on my other cheek, and you literally only have to dip into them twice and you get like such an amazing payoff. So oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, I am obsessed. I just knew Jaclyn Hill was going to come out with an amazing highlighter, and she's done it. Like, Jaclyn Hill to me is literally the queen of glow. The queen. Like, I know people think Nikki Tutorials is, but Jaclyn is just on another level when it comes to glow. And yeah. So I'm going to take sparks down the bridge of my nose. So I only went in once with that, so I'm gonna press it again and see if we can build it up. Yeah, definitely build it up. Like, my nose is snatched. Like, look at that. Can you see? It's kind of, obviously wherever you put highlighter, it's gonna bring attention to those spots. So when people say, oh, it brings attention to my texture, well, yeah, because you're highlighting that's where you want people to see. And as you can see, I've got like a little bit of a spot kind of thing there, and it's give me like, it's made it more noticeable, but I've put highlighter there, so obviously it's going to be. But look at that nose, oh my god. So next up, we're gonna take Mesmerized, and I feel like 2 dips is enough, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm just gonna use the same brush and literally buff that onto the brow bone. Yes. So I'm just going to take a really tiny like pencil-y brush. This is actually the Ashman Cosmetics one, which is my brush. And I'm going to take Gleam and I'm going to put that on my inner corners. Like, look at the difference, that side to that side. That is insane. So guys, I'm just in the middle of filming my Jaclyn Hill highlighting palette review. Look at that inner corner. I'm just gonna do it on this one so you can see while I'm filming. Like, look at that glow. Look at that. Holy shit. I literally dipped in twice. Look at that nose. Like, I am loving this palette. I'm just going to take a little bit and put some on my chin just so I look more glowy, and I'm also going to put a little bit of sparks just on top of my forehead just so I look more glowy than I actually am. So I'm going to put a little bit more. I'm going to put Mesmerized actually, and I'm just going to put that on my cheek just to see what it looks like. Is it me or has that just got more blinding? Alright guys, so I don't think I've got anything more to say on this because I am absolutely blown away. Like, I knew I would be anyway, and I kind of feel like I don't want the loose powders anymore because this on its own is just absolutely phenomenal. Like, look at that. Holy shit. So yeah guys, that is my review of the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics, well, Jaclyn Cosmetics highlighting palette. What can I say? What can I say, really? Like, they feel like butter, they go on the skin beautifully. Like, just obviously you can tell that you're wearing highlighter obviously, but it just looks so gorgeous and I'm obsessed. Like, this is so beautiful. Definitely worth the price point because one, it's gonna last you a really long time because you only need a little bit, and also it looks beautiful as well. Obviously you can't really travel with it, but I would. But yeah, this is absolutely stunning and I'm so proud of Jaclyn because everyone knows why. She's come back and she's just done this, and yeah, Jaclyn, if you're watching this, I love you. And to you guys watching, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below and I'll see you in my next video.